guys, this is Caroline, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a few products that I received for free and let you comment about what you think about these products. Now, in a previous video I posted I got a surprise gift and I didn't know who it was. Well, they did email me after they saw my video and said, hey, I gave that to you, can I give you a couple more things? I said, sure, bring it on. And so what I previously showed was this battery base, and you see it in all my videos. I use this all the time. I found this completely indispensable. Who knew that I really needed to carry my Echo Dot from room to room, but I do, okay? So thank you so much for this gift. Now I've got two more items I'd like to talk about that I did receive for free. Now, you guys, when I make these videos, I do disclose, hey, I got this, for free, or no, I paid for this myself. I usually try to do that. If I don't say, hey, I got this for free, assume I paid for it, all right? Most of the stuff on this channel, I paid for myself. The Ajax is a beautiful protective silicone case here for my Echo Dot. It does have the proper cutouts even for the speakers too. But the magic of this Ajax is that it's got a steel plate here right on the back, and if you put up a magnet, it comes with magnets that you put on, and if you're limited for wall space, you can put this on the wall, there's a magnet, or if you want this in your car, now this is debatable whether I'll ever use my Alexa in the car. It does have a vent for the car. So I hope you liked that. Now the other thing I want to show you that was given to me was an accessory for my accessory. So I talked about how much I love my battery base right here. So here it is. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is called the Alex Pack. It's an accessory for an accessory. It is and it comes in this little package here, and it's a protective case with these carabiners, and you can now hook your Alexa onto the wall with this thing. So I'll show you that and you putting that on as well in this video. Pretty easy to use, and what they showed me was, hey, you can hook it to the wall or you can attach it to your bicycle. Once again, please debate me on whether I'm going to use this on my bicycle. It is freezing cold here, by the way. So I've not been on my bicycle at all, nor am I that great of a bicycle rider. If you saw a video of me riding a bicycle, I don't claim to be an expert at this. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, if people want to send me stuff, please, and I will show it on my channel. So thank you for sending me the Alex Pack and the Ajax. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.